Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to embed audio on your Google site. First, you have to upload that audio clip that you want to embed on your Google Drive. After uploading that audio clip, you can just tap on this three dot button here, and you can just open with preview. So go to the preview, and then you just need to tap on this three dot button here at the top right corner. After that, sorry for that, this is actually the soundtrack. And yes, the big flag, the big clap for my audiences here. Now from here you will find open in a new window here. So I'm going to open it a new window on, and from here just tap on this three dot button here, and you will find this embed item option. So make sure that you just open it in a new window where Google, when you are on Google Chrome browser, then you will find this embed item option here. Tap on it, and here you will find the HTML code for embed in your website. Now you can just copy all of this from here. Now I'm going to click on Ctrl+C, and from here I'm going to embed that audio here. So for example, in this section I'm going to and now in this section, yes, this section I'm going to add it like embed, and here you will find this embed code option here. Now select paste here the embed here. Now you have to select the width and the height here. So I'm going to select the width for 350 and height for like 55. Yes. Now tap on next, click on next button here, and you will get the preview of that audio track. Here you can see the audio bar here, so you can just tap on insert button here. So I'm going to crop it just like this. That's a little bit down here. Now here it is. Now I'm going to place it with this text here. So here I'm going to paste it here just like this, cancel, and I can just place it just like here. I'm going to crop it like this, and here I'm going to place it this specifically at the mid side here. So you can just place it anywhere you want, just like this. So I'm just skipping this option, the customization option here. So you can just tap on publish button here, and you can just tap on publish again, and then you can just scroll down, and here you can find that I have just added that track here. Now you can just go to the view published site here to get the preview, or the live feature, that if it's perfectly added or not. Here you can see it is just loading. Now here you can see that it has just loaded from my Google Drive. So make sure that this file is actually there's another thing that you have to know, that make sure that this file, you just tap on share file, and make sure that it is selected to anyone with the link. So if you have created a public link here, then everyone can access the this audio. So before embedding code or copy the code, you just need to make sure that your file is on public. So you have said that anyone with this link, you can share it with or anyone can access your audio with the link. So then you can just copy that embed code and paste it like this, just like I have shown you. So that's all. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.